Rappelling down anything, you need to get that firm grip and then relax. It's very hard to start that off when you can't even stand up straight. I've got no grip. And I was literally gliding across those rocks like Bambi on ice. Halfway down, my rope got stuck. You're going under that water, and it's chilly, so you're holding your breath. There's a powerful amount of water coming full frontal. It's like taking a cold, wet punch to the face over and over. This is not the southern hospitality I've heard so much about.